Hello everybody! Welcome back to another video. I went on Amazon the other day and I purchased GoPro batteries for my GoPro Hero 6. But along with those batteries that I purchased came with a charger and a charging cable. Now, I already have GoPro batteries for my GoPro Hero 6. I have 4 old ones and one out of those 4 actually just bit the dust. So, now I know a lot of people out there probably have GoPros and you buy generic batteries to put in your GoPro and all of a sudden when you turn your GoPro on, usually says error, battery not compatible or something like that. Alright, so if anybody has a GoPro, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm going to show you the GoPro batteries and the charging charging dock that I got on Amazon for around 25 bucks. I think it's a good deal. So let me show you. All right, so right here is the box that I got off of Amazon. It's by Nemico. All right, so let's open it up. So let's see right off the bat, got a warranty card. Got 1 battery, 2 battery, 3 battery, charging dock, and a USB cable. And this is just a like a little packet or something. Has a bunch of different languages in it. Okay. Here is my GoPro Hero 6. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to undo 1 battery, and I'm going to put it inside of the GoPro so you all can see if it's compatible with my GoPro. All right, so power button right there, and it turns on, and it is compatible. Because now, if this battery was not compatible with this GoPro, it would have an error up top. It would say non-compatible battery or incompatible battery or error, or it would read something right up here. All right. So now I know that this battery, brand new battery, as you saw me put in, it's compatible. Okay. GoPro, turn off. All right. So let me try the other battery. Okay. So now that one works. So I'll set this battery right there. Open this one up. All right. Try it. Okay. So just like this. Plug in. Compatible. No error, message, or nothing. GoPro, turn off. Okay. So this one's now done. Got 1 more battery to go. And sorry, I got the screen too close to the table. I apologize for that. Normally, I film my videos on my GoPro Hero 6 here. Okay, and not but not least, last one. Compatible. Okay, GoPro, turn off. All right. Okay. All right, I'll just leave these batteries here. Take the cellophane stuff out. Okay. So now, all these batteries, okay, all these batteries right here work with my GoPro. Now, we're gonna undo the package here for the charging dock. Okay, inside. All right, well, I'm gonna bring the camera up a little bit more so that it's not so close to you. So it's not so close here. All right. And how to open it is right here. Right there. You just Pop up like that. Okay. And here is the charging cable. Slide the charging cable off. Okay. Charging cable is long. Okay. You got Type C with USB. All right. So what I'm going to do, these 3 batteries and this, everything here, bring it over to the other table and plug it in and show you how to put them in, plug it in, do everything else. All right. So we're over on my other workbench. All right. So what I'm going to do is there, right here. It's plugged in. Okay. This end goes in like this. All right. So I'm going to plug it in. Let me show you that I'm plugging it in, just so you know. All right. Plug it in like that. Okay. Bring it down. All right. Now, right off the bat, there is a blue light. Blue right there. Okay. So I'm going to open it up. All right. Let's see here. Down inside the bottom here. Okay. It only goes in one way. Okay. Now, let's see here. Wait, actually, hold on. Okay, so it goes in that way, and that way. Okay, so this part, this high-end part right here goes directly down in there. So it goes just like this. Trying to get in the frame for you. Like that. That's as far as it goes. If you push down any further, you're going to damage down the bottom of there. Okay, same thing. And same thing. Now what you want to do is you want to just shut the lid. And there we go. See, you have 1, 2, 3. 3 red LED lights. Now, as soon as these batteries are all done charged up, it should go to green. All right. Just like that. There's some information on the bottom of it if anybody's interested. Okay. So, yeah. There it is. All I have to do is just let it charge up. So before I end this video, here are my batteries. Okay. Now, of course, I forgot which one was bad. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if these batteries here are gonna be compatible with this charging dock. All right. So I'm gonna take. That's new. Take these ones out. Okay. Now I'm going to put this one in. All right. Whoop. Do the other way around. And no, they're not compatible. Nope. Well, okay, so apparently these are compatible because I got 2 red LEDs and 1 green LED. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the one that's green out, put this one right here in. Oh, weird. Okay, so maybe I don't have any bad ones after all, because now they're all red. That's weird. Okay, so let me take the middle. I'm going to take the middle one out here. Put this one in. Okay, and it's still green, it's still red. Okay, let me pull this one out. Put this one in. Okay, so apparently this battery that I put in right here is green, or unless. Okay, so all right, so one of these are bad then. Whoop. Okay, so I think one of these are bad. All right, so what I'm going to do is these are my old ones. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these ones here, take these batteries out, put the new ones back in. And away. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it's all solid red. All right, so I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm going to go get my other charger and putting those in. All right, so right here, this is the charger I got off of Amazon. I think it's like really old. So if I can find the information to this charger, I will link it down at the bottom. Link it in the description box below, and I will also link this one right here along with the batteries in the description box below. All right, so I got my 4 batteries here. Let's see here. Let's see if I can. Okay, that was says 99, 90, and 99. Okay, so these 3 right here are good. This one. Okay, now you see what I'm saying to it. Let me see. So actually, let me do it this way. So y'all can see it. Hold on. 1. Whoop. All right. So this battery, so all 3 of these batteries, this battery belongs to, is supposed to be displayed right here. The middle battery is displayed in the middle. The bottom battery is displayed on the right. The one on the left, which is this one right here, is no longer lit up. So this battery right here is the one that's bad. The cell in it just goes bad after a while, and that's pretty much it. So this one, trash. And this one is good. So I got 99, 91, 100. Actually, now I have 100, 91, and 100. So at least now I know that this battery is dead and gone. No sense even keeping it. Alright folks, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, comment, share, like, all that stuff. See you on the next video. Bye.